Bobrisky. So I don't say anything why I'm here, and Bobrisky is not here. Now, my lawyer will be the one to talk, and I will not say a word, because I don't want to walk out on the people that are holding on to my father. So I won't say anything until Bobrisky is here and the EFCC chairman is here. Thank you very much.
Number two, I'm just echoing what we have discussed. Number two, he's saying that he has not said he's not going to speak. At least we came prepared, we came in almost everything that is needed by this committee here. We have even come with additional evidence that is not even available online. We have come with everything. So he's not saying, I don't want to assist the committee, I don't want to talk. He's saying because that person who should be here, who is not here, who has sent a lawyer to represent he or she, that he is not going to talk directly, that he's going to talk to his counsel. That's just all he's saying, and nothing more.
In addition, I would like to say, the man from my state, he said if I don't speak, they will move equation to the take. I will not mind being
Can't tell issues. No.
I will not mind, sorry, please. And also, in the voice notes, Bobrisky said something about the godfather. So it's obvious that there's a godfather somewhere that might maybe told him not to come, and nothing will happen, because he has disrespected everybody here by not coming, and you are trying to force me to talk, and you are already throwing me the two threats that you detain me. I will stay in the cell, and this is not my first time, it's not my second time. So I'll go and stay there until he's ready. But for now, I will not say anything. If I say anything, let me die.
We are taking note of the facts that